Justina Simone, Sunshine Coast makeup artist and hairdresser.
So what I'm doing is dividing my front portion. Sorry, there is a plane going by. And this is the bit I'm focusing on because this is going to be my Bixie bit. I am one for spontaneous, crazy decisions, and this is one of them. Just trying to clip my hair up. There he goes. Find my right scissors. Just trying to get a base. And yes, hairdressers out there, I do have a comb. And I am a qualified hairdresser, believe it or not. Slide cut. The best would be a razor, but my hair does not like razoring at all. It makes it frizzy. I want it quite short around the ears because I've got a bit of hair that just doesn't feel the best at the moment. I'm trying to keep the hair somewhat clean on the table. So I'm cutting these tiny layers. A lot of hair's coming off there. So I'm basically trying to do what you do with a razor. And I might razor my friend because it's short hair, it'll be fine. And I just hate my hair around my face, so I'm like, what is a cool solution for that? This side's going to be cool, I think, because it's got the black in it, which also needs to be redone. My hair's going to be so happy about this. If you could hear the noise, it's like, thank you. Thank you for helping me. This is part of ADHD, folks, where you just get really impulsive and you're chasing that dopamine, so you just want something new in your life. So some of my inspo is Debbie Harry in the 70s, where she had a lot of these like sort of really choppy at the front bobs. Now just going in with the thinners on this side. It's a little bit thicker than the other side. And that kind of does too what a razor does. I was also talking to my tattooist and friend and her mum the other day, and she's got hair you wouldn't believe. It's down to near her ankles. It's beautiful. And she was wanting like this kind of pixie at the front moment, and I am all for it. Okay, so I just put my hair up, and I love these little Liza Minnelli X things. What do you think?
If you can, like and subscribe. Justina Simone.